Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Clue. Here we go to settings. Here on this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Clue and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.